Please don't click off this video due to the horrible mic quality. I know about it and I acknowledge it, but the mic is very old and so is the laptop that I'm running on. So, what will you learn in this series? In this series, you will learn how to make a legacy Windows ATM. ATM is basically what you use for taking out money from your bank account, in case you didn't know. The front end is gonna be in Visual Basic 6, the back end is gonna be in COBOL, because COBOL is commonly used for business backends, and I just know Visual Basic 6 quite well, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, using it. So why me? Well, like I said, I know some Visual Basic 6, and I'm currently learning COBOL, and I want to teach you how to make a legacy Windows ATM from scratch, in case you ever worked in such fields and manage an actual working ATM running legacy Windows. So the IDEs I'm gonna be using, because I'm on Windows XP, so I'm using Visual Basic 6.0 Studio from Microsoft, installed from CD, and also NetCobol 7. So here is the plan of how it's gonna go. First I'm gonna make the GUI in Visual Basic, then I'm gonna make calculation and other offline operations in COBOL. So you just write them out in COBOL, then compile them into DLLs. Then make networking operations in COBOL, from what I read that's possible and used. Then I'm gonna implement the functions from the libraries in the Visual Basic 6 frontend. And then I'm gonna make a security script. It's gonna be a basic batch script. It's just gonna close all unneeded ports and make the machine much safer, because it's legacy Windows after all. Then I'm gonna make an installer for the program. Then just pen test the ATM with Kali Linux, because I also know some of that. It's gonna be some basic tests. Before I'm gonna open my VM to the open internet, just to see if it gets infected and what I need to work on. So thank you for watching, and see you soon in the first part of the series, making the front end in Visual Basic 6.